Introducing the all-new Victory 2-ton single cabin and 2-ton double cabin models, designed with precision, engineered for excellence, and built for the demands of modern transportation. When it comes to business, efficiency is key. The Victory 2-ton models feature a spacious cargo area designed for easy loading and unloading. Whether you're transporting goods, tools, or equipment, these models provide ample space and convenience to meet all your needs. Witness the Victory 2-ton models in action. Engineered to perform, these vehicles excel in all driving conditions. From bustling city roads to challenging off-road paths, our 2-ton models deliver unmatched reliability and performance. Feel the power, experience the precision. LCD touchscreen. This intuitive interface provides seamless access to navigation, media, and essential vehicle information. And our centralized air conditioning system is designed to maintain the perfect climate. The advanced traction control system in our 2-ton models ensures optimal grip and stability on any road surface. Your safety is our priority. Dual airbags, providing essential protection for both driver and passenger. Whether you choose the single or double cabin, Victory's 2-ton models exceed expectations. The single cabin is 3.4 meters length and 1.7 meters width, offering ample space. The double cabin, at 2.6 meters length and 1.7 meters width, provides extra seating without sacrificing cargo space. With advanced safety features, superior comfort, and cutting-edge technology, these vehicles elevate your business operations.